No! I'm gonna execute you if you say anything like that again. And I know you would say it again. So that's why I prepared you with F-13 if you ever say that type of shit again. What the fuck do you want me to play this game for? I was. Do you think that fun? Is it that fun? You think? Yay! This game is so good. Oh my god, I love this game. Oh, damn. I fucking hate it! Alright? Is that clear? We're not gonna play the game. Alright? Is that clear? What do you not understand? Oh no! Tell me!
I don't understand. I don't. I don't. So Ronald, what do you think? Uh. What? It's not this deep, yo. It's really not. What the fuck, bro? I'm fucking scared. Alright. That was good. Like and subscribe.